Welcome to IFS Moral Story. Today I am going to share one short but heart-touching love story. A bird fell in love with a white rose. Once upon a time, a bird fell in love with a white rose. One day, she proposed him, but White Rose refused. White Rose said, "I don't love you." Bird daily came and proposed him. Finally, White Rose said, "When I turn red, I will love you." One day, bird came and cut her wings and spread her blood on the rose, and the rose turned red. Then the rose realized how much bird loved him, and it was too late because bird was dead. So respect the love and feeling of the person who loves you.